as I'm setting up this Holley Easy Level digital fuel gauge. I'm gonna wire it up to my Holley EFI Dash. It needs a 680 ohm resistor. I got it off DigiKey. I got a pack of actually a whole bunch of different ones for like $3. I think it costs more to ship them to me. So this is the one you actually need. So just pinned it in there. Put a little piece of heat shrink over it. Just like so. Now I've got a little jumper. I'm just going to crimp it. Careful not to break the connector. I always do a little tug test. Oh, see, that's why. Tug test failed. I got in there again. Let's see if I can get it better. Crimp if I need to get a new terminal. Tug test. Much better. Okay. Now hook up the old heat gun. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to pin the wiring harness for the Holley Dash. And I need pin 21 right there. That's for my fuel sensor. I just took this Carter pin. Found slot 21. Pin 21, I guess is the correct word for it. And pushed the plug out. It pops out just like that. Easy enough. And now you need to push this little retainer clip, this side I believe, out until you hear the click. Then you're ready to put your pin in. So you can buy these off DigiKey. Too much stuff on my little desk here. So I got these pins off DigiKey. Got a roll of 100 of them. This is all I have left. My spares. And then these crimpers off Amazon. Very cheap, 15 bucks if you got the Prime. Probably 16 bucks if you don't. That will get you these pins. So now you have your open spot. Go back, just double check. It's pretty easy to tell. You can see wherever my camera is. Should be able to see light through there. None of the other ones. I mean, also you can tell because you got to stick it in this side. Be kind of hard to mess that up unless you take all of them out. Then I can see that happening. Not recommended. All right, so now just push your little retainer clip back in. If it doesn't push in, oh, there you go. Might not have the pin in all the way. All right, I heard the click. Good to go. Now, I am ready to plug it into my dash. This should give me my sounds like there's a dog in here. My dog's inside in bed. I need to hook up my power and my ground to this, plug into the back of my Holley Dash, and then hook this up. And I should be ready to fire up the dash for the first time. It'll be nice. Alright, it's time to power up this nice little Holley EFI digital dash. I'm a little bit nervous because this thing was not cheap and I would hate to fry it somehow. I really couldn't find anything on the YouTube on how to wire this up straight to a battery. So I gave it my best shot, what I think will work. This is all temporary wiring because I want to get this hooked up, make sure it's all set and works, so I can install it in the gas tank that I found that's made for LS swaps, baffled and all in there. Probably can't see it. Get the Holley Sniper fuel pump in there, and then get this set into place in the car so I can button up the trunk, this nice big hole, and then button up the bottom of the car, get it lined with the, I don't know if I'm gonna use the AR15 or like the frame liner, something just to protect the rust, even though the car will never be in the rain since it won't have a top. But yeah, just want to get that done without jumping too much around. So I just want to make sure all this works before I hook it up. So I just have the blue, which is temporary power, to the fuel gauge, the red and the white, which is auxiliary and power to the dash, and then the black and green. The green is ground to the gauge, and black is ground to the dash. All right, crossing my fingers, hooking it up. We got power. Woo! That's awesome. I'm gonna wait to, I might have to remove that screen protector. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm just gonna read off the instructions because I have no idea how to do this. I need to go to menu, configuration, dash configuration, it's thinking, then my IO7, which is disabled. I need to put that on fuel gauge 90R. Okay. Okay. So my tank, you can measure to the top about 7.5 inches. And you come over here to your flat, safe surface and measure 1/2 inch from the top of your tank to give you a little bit of reserve. And then this will be your full. Wait till I get the slow flashing green. Wish there was a key on here to just to say what the lights are. There's not. Okay, slow flashing green. We're at full. We want to be at empty here. Let's see if it goes back. After 10 seconds. It's getting pretty late. Gonna have to call it quits. Try again tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna hold P1 until it turns off. Okay, it went to empty, but it didn't flash. This calibration, the LED should be flashing blue. It's solid blue. So let's see if we just go here. Wait our 10 seconds. Hold P1. Off. Okay, but the only thing that's weird is now it's showing 15. Or half. Oh boy. Alright, so after some fumbling around, got it to work. And I also got to add a fuel gauge that actually says fuel gauge. So I did that by going to menu, customize, okay. Just click a spot, add, gauge, went down and selected my fuel gauge, okay. Get to pick whatever you want, kinda cool. I picked analog. Let's just do bar graph style 2, just for science. And you can go in and pick whatever units you want. All kinds of cool stuff in there. But I'm going to delete that because I don't want it. And then all the messing around with this earlier must have worked. So I got it set here on my empty. Maybe it didn't work because now it's not going empty. What's going on? Let's try full. Oh boy. Was this working? Oh wait. That's because I'm still in customize. There we go. Alright. Now I'm at empty. There you go, gauge dropped to empty. That was too fast. I'm gonna set it to full. There we go. Set it to half. Just like that. Now I can put it in the tank. Fun, fun. Fun, fun. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. But surely, this has been much more painful than I thought it would be. I was hoping I'd have it running this summer. A lot of things came up that didn't allow that to happen. So, now the goal is next summer. To get the Sunliner on the road and cruising. Please like and subscribe, and I will try to continue getting this car done and getting videos out. Thanks.